If you're a freelancer and you're not using AI yet, you're working too hard for too little money. Let me fix that. Hey, I'm James, your AI instructor. I help freelancers work faster, look more professional, and make more money using AI. And no, this isn't hype. This is what smart freelancers are already doing. Freelancers today are doing everything: client emails, proposals, content, invoices, marketing, basically running a whole company alone. You didn't quit your job to become tired in pajamas. AI is how you get your time back. Here are 3 ways freelancers are secretly using AI right now. AI writes professional emails, proposals, and follow-ups in seconds. You sound like a big agency, even if it's just you. AI helps you create posts, captions, and ideas so clients actually find you. AI helps you package your services better, so you stop undercharging. Same skills, way better results. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. Freelancers who learn AI will replace freelancers who don't. Not because they're smarter, but because they're faster. Speed is the new advantage. If you want to learn how to use AI without being technical, this channel is for you. I'll show you tools, workflows, and strategies made for freelancers. Subscribe. Your future clients will thank you. I'm James, and this is where freelancers level up. Welcome to Module 1. Before we talk about tools, prompts, or automation, we need to fix something more important: your mindset. Because AI isn't hard. What's hard is the fear and confusion around it. This module will help you understand what AI really is, what it isn't, and why freelancers are actually in the best position to benefit from it. By the end of this module, you won't feel behind. You'll feel prepared. Let's start with the good news. AI doesn't help big companies the most. It helps freelancers. Why? Because freelancers are flexible. You don't need approval. You don't need a department. You don't need a meeting. You can test, adapt, and improve immediately. AI turns freelancers into one-person companies. AI is not magic. AI doesn't think. It doesn't replace your creativity. It doesn't run your business for you. AI is a tool. Think of it like a superpowered assistant. It helps you write faster, think clearer, and organize better, but you stay in control. If you know how to give instructions, you can use AI. Here's the myth. AI is only for technical people. That's wrong. The people winning with AI are writers, designers, marketers, video editors, consultants, not engineers. AI rewards clarity, not coding. If you can explain what you want, you can use AI. Let me be honest with you. AI won't replace freelancers. Freelancers who use AI will replace freelancers who don't. Clients care about speed, quality, and communication. AI improves all 3. Ignoring AI doesn't protect your career, it slows it down. The goal isn't to do more work. The goal is to remove friction. Ask yourself, what tasks drain my energy? What repeats every week? What doesn't actually require creativity? That's where AI fits. You do the thinking. AI does the heavy lifting. Your value isn't typing faster. Your value is understanding clients, making decisions, delivering results, communicating clearly. AI doesn't replace that. AI amplifies it. You're not becoming less human, you're becoming more strategic. Here's your first action step. Open any AI chat tool. Ask it one simple question related to your work. Example, help me improve this email. Help me brainstorm ideas for a client. Help me organize this project. That's it. No pressure, no perfection. Just experience how AI helps. Welcome to Module 2. I'm James, your AI instructor for Next Gen AI Academy. This is where AI starts feeling useful. One of the biggest mistakes freelancers make with AI is trying too many tools at once. So in this module, we're doing the opposite. I'll show you the few AI tools that actually matter, what they're good for, and how to choose tools without wasting money. By the end of this module, you'll have a simple AI toolkit you can set up in one day. No overwhelm, no confusion. Lesson Keycap won the 5 AI tools that matter. Let's start with this truth. You don't need 20 AI tools. Most freelancers only need 5 categories of AI tools. Small blue diamond tool number 1, AI Chat Assistant. This is your main tool. It helps you write, think, plan, and solve problems. Use it for emails, proposals, ideas, client replies, brainstorming. If you only used one AI tool, this would be it. Small blue diamond tool number 2, AI Writing and Editing Tool. This helps clean up your writing and make it sound professional. Use it for polishing emails, improving tone, fixing grammar, making things clearer. This is how you stop sounding rushed or unprofessional. Small Blue Diamond tool number 3, AI visual/design tool. You don't need to be a designer to look professional anymore. Use it for thumbnails, social posts, simple branding, presentations. Clients judge visuals fast. AI helps you pass that test. Small Blue Diamond tool number 4, AI organization and planning tool. This is where freelancers save time. Use it for task lists, project planning, content calendars, daily organization. AI helps you think clearly instead of reacting all day. Small Blue Diamond tool number 5, AI automation/integration tool. This one is optional at first, but powerful. Use it for connecting apps, automating repetitive steps, saving hours weekly. You don't start here, you grow into it. That's it. 5 categories, not 20 tools. Lesson Keycap 2 AI for writing, research, and ideas. Most freelancers underestimate how much time they spend thinking. What should I write? How do I respond? What do I pitch? AI solves this. Use AI for first drafts, research summaries, brainstorming ideas, structuring thoughts. Example, instead of staring at a blank page, you say, "Help me write a professional email for this client situation." You edit it. You stay in control. AI removes friction, not creativity.
Welcome to Module 3. This module changes how clients see you. Most freelancers don't lose clients because of skill. They lose clients because of communication. Emails sound rushed. Proposals are unclear. Boundaries are awkward. AI fixes this without making you sound robotic. By the end of this module, you'll communicate like a premium professional. Clients don't want long emails. They want clear ones. AI helps you write emails that are polite, confident, professional, clear. You give AI the situation. AI gives you structure. Example prompt. Write a professional, friendly email explaining this update to a client. You edit it. You send it. Same message. Better delivery. Your proposal is not just pricing. It's reassurance. AI helps you clarify scope, explain value, set expectations, reduce back and forth. A clear proposal prevents problems later. AI helps you think through what clients will ask before they ask it. Revisions are part of freelance life, but frustration doesn't have to be. Use AI to rephrase feedback professionally, respond calmly, explain limits clearly. Example, help me respond professionally to this client feedback. AI removes emotional reactions from the equation. You stay calm. You stay professional. Following up feels uncomfortable for many freelancers. AI makes it neutral and professional. Use AI for payment reminders, project check-ins, proposal follow-ups. Clear follow-ups build trust. They don't damage it. Boundaries are not rude. They're professional. Use AI to help. Define scope. Handle late changes. Push back politely. Say no without guilt. Example, write a professional message explaining that this request is outside scope. AI gives you the words. You keep the relationship. Here's your action step for this module. Take one real client situation you're dealing with right now. Ask AI to help you respond professionally. Edit it. Send it. That's an immediate upgrade. In the next module, we'll use AI to help you market yourself without burnout. This is where clients start finding you. I'll see you there.
Welcome to Module 4. I'm James, your AI instructor for Next Gen AI Academy. This is the module most freelancers secretly avoid. Marketing. Not because it doesn't work, but because it feels overwhelming, awkward, or time-consuming. AI changes that. By the end of this module, you'll know how to market yourself clearly, consistently, and calmly, without burning out. Most freelancers think marketing means selling. It doesn't. Marketing is simply showing what you know. Clients hire people they recognize and understand. AI helps you explain your value, even if you're not a natural marketer. One of the biggest blockers is, what do I even post? AI solves this instantly. Use AI to brainstorm content ideas, turn experience into posts, answer common client questions. Example, give me content ideas for freelancers in my niche. You don't need to go viral. You need to be clear. Here's a secret. You don't need new ideas every day. AI helps you reuse one idea across multiple formats. Example, one tip short post, same tip carousel, same tip email, same tip, short video. Less effort, more visibility. You don't need clever writing. You need clarity. AI helps you. Explain problems clearly, share solutions simply, sound confident, not so lazy. Clients don't want perfection. They want understanding. Consistency beats intensity. AI helps you plan ahead so you're not scrambling. Use AI for weekly content planning, monthly calendars, batch creation. You show up regularly without thinking about it every day. Here's your action step. Ask AI to generate 10 content ideas for your freelance niche. Choose 3. Post one this week. That's marketing done right. In the next module, we'll talk about pricing and offers. This is where freelancers stop undercharging and start valuing their work. I'll see you in Module 5.
Welcome to Module 5. I'm Alex, your AI instructor for Next Gen AI Academy. This module is uncomfortable for many freelancers. Pricing. Most freelancers don't undercharge because they lack skill. They undercharge because they lack clarity and confidence. AI helps with both. By the end of this module, you'll know how to price your work clearly, package your services professionally, and stop second-guessing yourself. Freelancers usually price based on fear. Fear of losing the client, fear of being compared, fear of charging too much. But clients don't pay for hours. They pay for results, clarity, and reliability. AI helps you communicate value, not just cost. Here's a mindset shift. Loose services feel cheap. Packaged services feel professional. AI helps you. Define what's included, set boundaries, create clear deliverables. Clarity increases trust. Instead of saying, I do design, you say, I deliver a complete brand kit in 7 days. Value-based pricing isn't about charging more. It's about explaining why your work matters. AI helps you. Translate work into outcomes, explain benefits, clearly frame pricing professionally. When clients understand value, price becomes secondary. Not every client is a good client, and saying no is a skill. AI helps you. Decline politely, push back on scope creep, hold boundaries calmly. Professional boundaries protect your energy and income. Confidence isn't pretending. Confidence comes from structure. When your pricing, offers, and communication are clear, confidence follows naturally. AI helps you build those systems. Here's your action step. Use AI to rewrite one service offering you currently sell. Make it clearer, more specific, more outcome-focused. That alone can increase your income. In the next module, we'll focus on productivity and automation. This is where freelancers start saving hours every week. I'll see you in Module 6.